morning. Thank you for all of you all for coming at short notice to attend this press conference. This is my colleague Sukhija from Ward 17 and Liberta Mendes from Ward 29 and myself Leonid Furtado from Ward 7. So basically आयज आमी कितें आपयलें सगळ्यांक to highlight आमचे कितें problems are in CCP. We are facing a lot of lack of cooperation issues. So that's why we called a press conference to highlight these issues. We are not getting support from the administration on certain issues which we want to bring to the notice of voters and Panjim public in general. So the main issue, आमचे main issue कितें आहा? तुमकां सगळें खबर आहा पावसाचे पयलीं आमकां ते हे व्हडले मशिनां मेळटा स्काय लिफ्ट झाडां प्रून करपाक. Now we have taken over from 38th March, the new council is come in place. From 38th March, we have, all three of us have not been given the machine even for 1 hour. आता कितले वॉर्डां आहा? 30 वॉर्डां. कितले मशीन आहा? 2 स्काय लिफ्ट आहा प्लस आमचे कडेन प्रून आहा. आमी जाणा आमी ऑपोजिशन आहा. तुमी रुलिंगाक पोली धाडटा आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लम ना. आतां कितले 60 दीस वयर जाले. मार्च एप्रिल मे आतां आमी जुनान पावला. So exactly 2.5 months जाले आमचे अडेज म्हयने. आतां 75 डेजान आमकां इवन एक वरान तुका टायम ना मशीन धाडपाक. आतां 5-6 दीस पयलीं म्हाजो वोटर हारीन बसले रावता टोंका तेजे गाडये वयर झाड पडलो. थँक गॉड ही वॉज नॉट इन द कार. ना तो मरपाचो नाल्यार सम सिरियस थिंग कुड हॅव हॅपन. So these are the issues, practical issues. See, all the voters are taxpayers of Panjim. It is not, we are not orphans. So when you're not sending to us, it is like you're troubling the citizens of Panjim. And many of the citizens are from economically lower strata. The moment the tree झाड तुझे घरावयर पडलो, तुझे सगळे tiles गेले, labor हाड, tiles हाड, who's going to pay the money for this? So people are hounding all of us. अरे केन्ना धाडटा? We can't even show the face to our voters. From 38th March, we all three, first the procedure was told to us at the meeting on 30th March. I'll explain the procedure. आमकां कितें सांगला? From 30th March, the deputy mayor was kept in charge of sending the machine ward-wise. So तेजे हातीन आसलें. So we all kept on meeting him. Then he said, "You'll meet the mayor." So we went and met the mayor. We went and met the commissioner. So they both again told us that deputy mayor will be in charge of allocating the skylift and the tree pruners. So till now, this thing has not been come. Yeah, please. So we were forced to bring. We even made letters to the authorities, to the commissioner and to the mayor, that ashe problem ha amka. Why are we being harassed? But no reply. So after trying all the issues and trying to cross all these hurdles, we are forced to inform the press and have a press conference. The ashe amka issues are. This is the problem we are facing. And these are serious issues. पावसाचे पयलीं प्रूनिंग जावंकूच जाय. आतां once the rain comes in full swing, मागीर तेन्ना करून कितें फायदो? आमच्या वर्कराक also मागीर त्रास न्हू. To climb on a wet tree, तो वर्कर पडूंक जाता मागीर न्हू. So we have to do all this before the rains, or at least before the rains start in full swing. And आमचे कितें आहा मोस्टली आमच्या वॉर्डान कितें घरा आहा बिल्डिंगां ना. तो सगळ्याचे बाटान एक धाकटो माडाचे कितें आसतलें नाल्यार कितें आसतलें. सेंट्रल पेंजीम तितले तशी चड प्रॉब्लम ना कित्याक मोस्टली बिल्डिंगां ना. But wherever there are people have their own individual plots or houses, there is a big issue. So they want the pruning to be done. So this is the issue being faced by all of us. Jack also will elaborate, and then Liberta how issue goes.
So further, I'll just add on to what Leo has said. So because we were not getting this, we have put in letters. And through this medium, thank you all for coming here. First of all, I would like to reach out to both the entire administration within CCP and ask them to do this, to do the trimming above these trees, for which I have submitted a letter and regularly have requested for the skylift and pruner. Above Agnel Rodriguez's house in Korti, below Constance Gudino's house next to the High Court, behind Kalindi Chari's house off Father Agnel Road, next to Alleluia Menezes building at Altino, behind Circuit House, over Shirodkar building and Pratima Kamat's house. There are also two other issues, one on Alt Gimarais, there's another tree above Kole's house, and there's one below where Branca Miranda stays. One of my voters got so fed up of requesting me. She said, "I've done it myself. It's no use electing her." So this was Nilima Kamath Menezes and John Menezes. So see, these are, pruning of trees in within 75 days. एक ती story आमका दिवपाचे मरे कितें पोते पोते last minute you tell us no, not possible. It's been sent. As councillors, we are facing the voters, right? They're asking, so we should be kept in the loop. So this is a request that on essential services, kindly keep us in the loop and see that tree trimming is given to us. Thank you.
And besides tree trimming, it is not only tree trimming, even there is weed cutters. So that also the issue being faced. At least there we are getting. I'm not saying we're not getting, but it should not. We're not being served the way it should be. Now again, I'm reiterating. See, 75 days. In 75 days, 30 वॉर्ड आहा. आमचे 3 काढून त्यांचे 27 आहा. So what? Even you give all the councillors twice, rulingaचे 27 into 2 कितले झाले? 54. कितले दीस उरलं? आमकां अजून कितें मेळूंक ना? Even तांकां 2 दीस दी. आमकां एक दीस तरी दी. So why this step motherly treatment? And see now that in by end of the year there will be assembly elections all over Goa. This whoever is going to stand will have to face the public. The same whoever our mayor he has already declared that he wants to stand, but he'll have to face the voters. No? So why this step motherly treatment? See, and one thing I want to bring a very crucial point. Elections झाले न्हू आमी झगडटा कितें आहा तें whatever. एक पार्टी election जालो, the candidates win and lose whatever, we all won. We have to work together for development of PNG. I understand केन्ना कितें election campaign टायमार mud slinging जाता, हांवें कितें म्हणलां तेणें कितें म्हणलां तें वायट कोण धरून आनी तें that is petty politics. Once election is declared, the results are declared, we all have to work together. What is our goal? For the betterment of PNG. Each of us are doing our work in the wards for what? आमचे पर्सनल कामां करपाक आमी येवंक ना. So why this step on treatment? Let us all work together. And Panjim is such a beautiful city, small city. We can manage it. It is not a big thing to do. Things are already in place. We only have to have a system. Now, if you have, suppose for example, 4 machines, you just make a roster, register score. No, amke disak eka, tomke teka. What is so big in this? So why are we being denied? Simple question. Till now. Liberta also will तेजे कितें प्रॉब्लम ती सांगतेल.
माझो जाल्यार ते न्हू बेश्टे झाडां कातरून उडयल्या ती पासून ना. कितले म्हयन्याच्या म्हयने ती पडलेली आहा थिंगा. काडीत जाल्यार ते काड म्हणत जाल्यार ते म्हणटा आयज काडटा फाल्यां काडटा काडना म्हणना कोत्ता म्हणटा पूण ते करीच ना. आनी ते म्हाका वॉर्ड सुपरवायझर अलॉट केलेलो आहा तो तेका म्हाका दिसता इन्स्ट्रक्ट केलेलें आहा कितें तें म्हाजें आयकोन पासून घेयना. इफ आय कॉल कोत्ता म्हणटा बट शी इज नॉट कमींग. ते हेका धाडटा ते झाडू मारता तांकां धाडटा आनी ती मातशें रावता तांकां पोत्तें वागता. वे वी हॅव टू गो. आय हॅव मेट डेप्युटी मेयर कमिशनर मेयराकूय थिंगा आमकां धाडटा कांय आमचें करीच ना. ते दिसा म्हाका ट्री कट करपाक धाडलें बट दे डिड नॉट इन्फॉर्म मी. कावन्सिलर फ्रॉम अदर वॉर्ड ही हँडल्ड एवरीथींग. एंड वेन वन ऑफ माय वोटर तेणें म्हाका कॉल करून सांगलें तुजी झाडां कातोत्ता हिंगा. And when I called him, he is telling me, no, they are already gone म्हणटा. मागीर सांजचें म्हणटा म्हाका मातशें हाफ एन आवराक कितें म्हाका ते तेंच्या फुड्यान वचून उबें केल्यार जालें इतलेंच. Being a lady councillor, they are doing like this for me. Same thing they are doing, they are councillors also, only for me.
In one important issue, what is the process? All of us have ward supervisors. The moment anything is allocated, it is the duty of the ward supervisor to coordinate with the corporators. Oshe Korun, now see, they are not taking a call. See,
No, not taking.
I'll give a simple example. When Prime Minister Modi was Gujarat CM, this was in 2014, 2012, Congress was still in power. There was a remark made against him. So what did he say? You have not insulted me. You have insulted 30 crore Gujaratis. So I'm again bringing this issue. When you don't lift my phone or Jack's or Libertas, you are not insulting us. Who are you insulting? You are insulting the voters of those wards and the voters of Panjim, who are taxpayers, and with their taxes, we are running the corporation. So we don't have any ego. But we will not tolerate insult of our voters and the Panjim people in general.
तुमच्या वॉर्डात प्री मॉन्सून कामां जावपूच तिगांच्या वॉर्डात
प्री मॉन्सून म्हणजे पळय ड्रेनीचे काम दॅट इज हॅपन सी क्रेडिट्स टू बी गिवन विल गिव एंड ड्रेन वर्क हॅज टू बी डन आय एक्सप्लेन सी ड्रेन इट इज कंटिन्युअस ऑल द वॉर्ड्स आर मिक्स्ड अप तो हाफ रोड म्हाज्या वॉर्डान पडटा हाफ रोड सपोज बेंटोच्या वॉर्डान 6 पडटा हाफ करिनेच्या वॉर्डान 8 पडटा इफ यू डू नॉट डू द ड्रेन सगळे 3 त्रासान पडटले
ताजे प्रॉब्लेम सांगले वार्डाचे तुम्ही म्हाका एक सांगात ते आता तुम्ही म्हणजे ट्री कटिंग केला ते तशेंच पडला तुम्ही कितें तेंका लेटर
सगळे लेटर
हांवें जाल्यार केलां तेंकां
कोणाक केल्लेले
कमिशनर न्हू हय
लेटर म्हणजे पहिले आम्ही
पयले
ओरल आमचे वर्किंग असले तो आम्ही ते ट्राय
लेटर
केले
इज अ लास्ट
तो आमच्या पयल्यार तुमचो प्रोसिजर लिहून कशें सांगला तुझ्या आतां ड्राय आनी वेट वेस्ट लिफ्टिंग वयता थिंगासोर सगळ्यांनी कॉर्डिनेशन करून काम करता कित्याक तुज्या हातीन पडलो तूं ते हेल्थ एसेट जावंक जाता ते कॉपरेशन आहा आमच्या बरोबर ड्रेनार कित्याक एकट्याक लागल्यार दुसऱ्याकूय लागतले दुसऱ्या बोर्डान तेजेरूय कॉपरेशन आहा तेच वाडटा पूण हे ट्री ट्रिमींग जो आहा ते ती गोश्ट आहा तेका आमकां कांयच कॉर्पोरेशन मेळना त्या विशयाचेर आमी लेटरान घातल्या भितरान पयलीं आमी ओरली उलयल्या फोनार ट्राय केले कित्याक आमी कॉर्पोरेशन आहा तेन्ना हे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव इश्यू मेळोन काम करपाचें न्हू तर आमी ते ट्राय केलें आतां 70 दीस जावन तरी आमकां मेळना म्हणजे आमकां आतां वोटरांकूय समजूंक जाय न्हू कित्याक जायना आमच्या बऱ्या कपासिटात ना कित्याक आमी फोकलिफ्ट हाडटले आनी खंय साकून हे खंय साकून हाडटले कॉर्पोरेशनाच्या बरें आहा ते मिशिनरी सगळ्यांक वापरूंक जाय न्हू एक तेंच्याच कित्याक वापरयता
स्मार्ट सिटीची जी कामां जाल्या तुमच्या वाठारांत बंदी जाला तुमच्या तेजेर तुम्ही सॅटिस्फाय आसा
कोण सॅटिस्फाय आमचे एमएलए नु सांगला आय एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल इफ एमएलए इज ओनली सेड व्हॉट इज रिमेनिंग फॉर मी टू से
सॅटिस्फाय नाही म्हणता कोणाक तुम्ही
स्मार्ट सिटी सरकार स्मार्ट सिटीन कोण आल्लो आमी आल्ले हू वॉज इन द बॉडी ऑफ स्मार्ट सिटी मेयर वॉज दे एमएलए इज दे चीफ सेक्रेटरी एंड अदर ब्युरोक्रेट्स वी 3 were not there anyway we have come now but none of the corporators were involved in smart city. I'll tell you, even you ask the ruling people also, when smart city works were executed, none of them they were all kept in the dark. So I don't blame CCP for the smart city mess because CCP, even though the mayor has a seat on the smart city, I don't think he also was consulted. MLA, okay, being MLA and being minister, he has his powers.
ब्लेम कोणाक करता तुम्ही आता म्हणटा कामी सॅटिस्फाईड ना म्हणटा
It is the fault of the state government and everyone who's involved in the smart city body.
The executing authority with the whoever from the chief minister onwards should take responsibility because chief minister was in charge of it. No? So तुम्ही पयल्यार आता 1000 कोटी मोडल्या स्मार्ट सिटी म्हणून हांव नको एक्झॅक्ट फिगर नको लगभग 1000 कोटी तेजो तुम्ही पळया मरे कितें व्हॉट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ इट आणि तो एक ग्राउंडूय केलेलो स्मार्ट सिटीन तो 3 वर्सां बंद केला कित्याक केला ते शोपीस करून म्हणून
त्याने इशू काढला
सो तुमचे वॉर्डान कितले अशी डेंजरस झाडां आसा कट करपाची
माझ्या वॉर्डान लगभग म्हाका कोणे लोकांनी सांगलां 10 तर 12 आहा तांकां ट्रीम करपाच्यो आहा सगळ्या वॉर्डांनी थोडे आहा ते रिक्वेस्ट एक जाता
हे करून सर्वे करून कितली हार्ड लोकांनी सांगला म्हणून तुम्ही पळयल्या
आम्ही पळयल्या कितें आहा ते आनी ते अर्जंट जो आहा ते 12 आहा बाकीचे वयर सकयल कितें जावंकूच जाता आमी न्हू कितें सगळीं झाडां एकदम ट्रीम करतलीं आतां तूं सगळीं झाडां काडल्यार पळय मरे कितली गरमी आहा थिंगा ते बॅलन्स आसूंक जाय न्हू थोडें आसूंक जाय
फाल्यां कितें आमचे वर्स इन्सिडंट जाला तुमी सीसीटीव्ही ब्लेम करतले तेजेर कामां
खूंय क्लियर एविडन्स आहा की हे आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला आनी तुमी ट्रीम करूंक ना जाल्यार तें घालूंक पडटलें फुडें थंय न्हू लिओचें म्हणणें घे पूण म्हाजें तशें म्हणणें आहा तें
definitely because see we have informed we've even shown our ward supervisors and we have even told them एक दीस पयलीं आमकां सांग कित्याक लोकांची गाडी पार्क आहा थिंगा तो when the machine ऑर्डर आहा न्हू अरे बाबा तांकां सांगूंक जाता ते दिसा तूं गाडी पार्क करूं नाका इवन दीस होमवर्क वी डन मेन प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा सपोज म्हाका ते म्हणटा फाल्यां दिता फाल्यां फोन केल्यार अरे आयज आनी खंय धाडला ते ना म्हणना पण दिस इज सी यू हैव टू रीड नो समझ में वाले को इशारा काफी है ना why you think you're a why you think go in the opposition obviously
harassment
that is harassment only it is
So it is asked for MLA also something you
I have even informed the OSD of MLA to speak to the CCP team that is Shivani I even spoke to her so she but Now let's see what happens.
So my main aim is हांव एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक वचचें गेला. आमी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक सांगला आमी आतां आयकना म्हूण आमकां वोटर्साक एक्सप्लेनेशनूय दिवंक पडटा. सगळ्यांक मेळोन दिवच्याक आमी आतां हें फुडें केलां की मिडिया तुमी फुडें ते पळयतले आनी तांकांय कळटलें. तर आमच्या बरें जायना जाल्यार तांकां तरी कितें दुसरे उपाय आहा जाल्यार तेंच्याय पाटी बरें वचोन विचारूंक दी कित्याक आमचीं झाडां ट्रीम जावंक ना. आतां MLA कित्याक आतां CCP हो मायनर इशू MLA इनवॉल्व कित्याक जावंक ना. MLAकूय कळोंक दी जाता तें तुमचे प्रेस मिडियम साकून पावतालें ताका पूण ताका कित्याक पावोंक जाय आमकां. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचें काम मरे.
So what is your next step now?
Now we hope after listening to this they will do the work. Otherwise they might not get 1200 or 2000 voters will be very upset with them, we hope.
As far as the disaster management meeting, the North Goa collector was this meeting, and the government and the forest, the CCP and forest were supposed to identify fragile trees, weak trees. But that has not happened.
Collector has sent a letter 4 days back to CCP.
Okay.
But none of the municipalities have a machine with them.
Sure.
So now both the sky leaves are sent to wherever the collectors think to cut the trees. So that has become another hindrance. So now we are saying at least send us the pruner. Because the sky lift is a very tall trees. So something smaller over somebody's compound, you can use the pruner. And we have 2 sky lift spots, not 1, 2. So 75 days for you to take action. My point is simple. Why?
Your point is simple, but now one of your voters has lost a car. Under the disaster management authority, are you going to seek compensation? Because the lapse is now because both by the North Goa collector and by CCP. What are you going to? How are you going to press?
So that depends on whether he wants to take it further or not. If he takes it further, definitely I will support him in whatever way I can. See, we are today, I'm making myself very clear, we are today because of our voters. They have elected us. We are servants of the voters and the public in general. The problem is, no, people don't realize that. Once they get elected, they think that voters are their servants. Till that mentality, mind change, no. That is why the country is where it is today. What did our honorable Prime Minister say? You have to, मैं प्रधान सेवक हूँ. I am following his ideals only. So why are we not putting the voters first? Only because we are in the opposition. So why are you harassing the voters? And you will have to reply to the voters. See, whatever goes around comes around. December and January election astele. You will have to knock on the door of the same voters. And remember, voters are not fools. That time you will have to explain, no? What is happening and why it is happening. Miramar Lake view कित्या म्हाका तीन घराच माझ्या वॉर्डान पडटा. The remaining everything falls in ward 9. But we highlighted the issues. See, certain issues we don't have to wait for my ward and your ward. He has brought the thing of Kampal Stadium. It does not fall in his ward. But we have responsibility as citizens of Panjim and as corporators. If a crime is happening in front of you, तुम म्हणता ना हे म्हाका लागना. If somebody is being attacked in front of you, it is your duty as a citizen to see help that person.
CCP Lake, Kampal Lake तुमच्या इथून पडता ती वॉर्ड.
Lake view falls in ward 9. Only hoy there. Lake falls in ward 9. Mine is ward 7. ते full lake view area ना फक्त 3 घरां म्हाका पडटा. उरले सगळे non पडटा. So lake view is comes actually under ward 9. But I have raised that issue. Hoy. I have raised the issue. Yes. And it's not only this, even the Mala, see, its sewage is being directly left. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You go there and see. To sewage treatment, आमचे Alcon estates are थिंगा. तू वसन थिंगा सांजे उभा रावन पळय. Sewage is being directly dissing. There are big buildings come there. तू थिंगा उभा रावन पळय.
So residential building direct सुट्टा.
No, not residential building. From the STP plant, they can't handle, or I don't know what. Whether it's got lethargy or inefficiency, there is sewage, untreated sewage is being left. And officials of the sewage department are aware of this. But people are pretending they don't know what is happening.
So water bodies polluted.
No, polluted झाले.
Opposition has a councillor.
Definitely, we will raise this issue. But see, again, sewerage department should be coordinated. We see, it is triple engine sarkar. When they went to voters, they went asking triple engine, double engine. आता engine fail झालो. Center, state, and local municipalities control same. So why are they not coordinating? Simple. सरकार तुमचं. You just have to pick up the phone and tell the sewerage person, अरे बाबा अशा CCP, sewerage, and they should coordinate. So they have the power. Why are you not using the power for the good of the public?
जे काही वॉटर बॉडीज लागतात सो ते कावन्सिलर मुद्दम जावन उबी रावता दिसता भिवून खंय तरी प्रेशर आसतलो
ते म्हाका खबर ना आय कॅन्ट टॉक फॉर अदर्स बट वेन इट कम्स टू अस यू नो ओन्ली आमीच उलयता आनी कोण उलयना यू कम फॉर द CCP meeting also nobody else will talk. So that is why now I always tell public, I'm again appealing to the public, it is very important to have a strong opposition. तुमचे घरान सुण आसतलो, most of you have pet dogs, so opposition is like a dog, watch dog. सुणा नाल्यार कोण चोर येवन भितर चोरी करतलो. That is the duty of opposition and also we all also like watchdogs. Unfortunately in the country half the media is going to sleep. So media and opposition have to work and keep the government on its toes. That is the when a democracy will function, like how it's happening in Europe, in US. Even in US, a normal journalist can question the US president and they will not be arrested and picked up like what is happening. So we have to be strong watchdogs and keep the ruling on its toes. Tomorrow, whoever, if I'm in the ruling and somebody in the opposition, I will want a strong opposition. Others you relax, no? Opposition आल्यार तूं म्हणटा जोक मार कोण म्हाका काय म्हणटा. So it is very healthy for a democracy to have a very strong opposition and I'm again appealing to Biololo Benji. You know, when you give a brute majority like this to any one side, we may be in ruling tomorrow, we may be in opposition tomorrow. That is not important, but it's always important to have a healthy opposition.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.